Hi there, it's Iman here at White Lance. I'm going to take you through our new feature that enables you to work as an agency rather than a marketplace. So typically on our marketplaces, you earn revenue by taking a commission. So the contractor will have a particular rate. It will charge that rate to the customer, and you will take a commission of that from the freelancer. So, for example, a freelancer charges £100 and the customer pays £100, and you take your 20% fee, for example, £20, from the freelancer's earnings. Now, in a traditional agency model, it's slightly different because the freelancer may want to earn £100 and they will charge that to the agency, but then the agency will charge a higher figure to the customer. In that case, they may charge £200 or £300. The customer sees the £300 charge. They don't see how much the freelancer is actually being paid. And likewise, the freelancer sees their rate and they don't see how much the customer is being charged. And the agency, their commission, if you like, is not fixed at a certain percentage. It's the difference between what the freelancer is earning and what the customer is being charged. So we have this new feature that enables you to do that on our platform. And this is how it works. So here's a milestone that the freelancer has created. So they created a milestone that's worth £100. They see their rate, which is £100. The customer sees their rate, which was £110. And we have an algorithm that generates the automatic markup or markdown based on your requirements. So we can amend this for you if needed. But we have a default one that's already in the platform. And the customer is seeing their rate here. And we've now charged this milestone. It's gone through the system and it's been paid out. So let's have a look and see what those invoices look like. So in this case, the customer, let's see what the tax is being charged to the customer. So if we look at our users table and we have the advanced tax feature enabled, we have a default tax, but this particular customer, if we look at Tax Manager, the platform has decided to charge a tax rate of 50% for this particular customer. You can also set the default tax rate or no tax or reverse charged. In this case, the tax rate was 30. So bear in mind that what that means is that the customer rate here is 110, but then the platform is going to charge 30% tax rate on top of that. And let's go and have a look at the invoice. Okay. So the invoice here, first thing to note is that it's coming from the platform. It's not coming from the freelancer. So it's the platform it's the agency that's invoicing the customer. This is the milestone value, 110, which is the customer rate. Then there's the tax, and then there's the admin fee as normal. So the total amount was £147. And now let's go look at the freelancer side. So the default tax for the freelancer, I think, is 20%. This is not relevant to the agency model. I think the platform is charging 20% by default, but we can check. Let's go and have a look at their invoice now. Okay, here's the invoice on the freelancer side. Again, it's slightly different. It's coming from the freelancer to the marketplace, which is the opposite to our default system. And so the total amount that's being invoiced is the total milestone value. but for the sake of tax, the system is automatically creating a breakdown between the value of a milestone and the tax rate that the freelancer has set. So in the job here, the freelancer has listed their tax rate as 10%. So this is what they're charging the platform. And that's why this is 10% here. But the total amount is the milestone value that has been listed in the contract. So to summarize, in this case, what's happened is the freelancer has created a milestone value of £100. The customer has been charged their rate, the customer rate, which is a slightly higher rate, £110. So in this case, the marketplace is earning a £10 commission. And the invoice is coming from the marketplace to the customer. And then on the freelancer side, the invoice is coming from the freelancer to the marketplace, and their total payout, their total earning as a freelancer is their rate. So that's how the system works. And it's a little complex, but if you think about how an agency will typically work, this is reflected as closely as possible in our system, and that will help. So if you have any questions, just get in touch, and excited to see how you get along. Thanks for your time. Bye.